Hungry customers, fast deliveries, smarter apps. If you're thinking of building a food delivery app in 2025, there's one thing you can't ignore: artificial intelligence. From personalizing orders to predicting delivery delays, AI is the secret sauce behind the success of top apps like Zomato, DoorDash, and Uber Eats. So, in this video, we're diving into the 5 must-have AI features that will take your food delivery app from average to successful. Let's dig in. First up, smart order recommendations. Think Netflix, but for food. AI learns a user's taste preferences, previous orders, and even time of day to recommend the perfect meal. It's not just about burgers versus biryani, it's about predicting cravings. And guess what? The more personalized your app feels, the more customers come back. More orders mean more revenue. It's a win-win. Next, dynamic delivery time prediction. Nobody likes waiting endlessly for food. AI utilizes real-time traffic, weather, and even kitchen load information at the restaurant to provide extremely accurate delivery ETAs. It's not just helpful, it builds trust. When customers know exactly when their food is coming, they're happier, and they're more likely to tip your drivers. Third, intelligent route optimization. Using AI-powered mapping, your app finds the fastest delivery routes, even during rush hour. It can also batch multiple orders to save time and fuel, which is great for the planet and your profits. Here is a bonus tip. Pair this with a driver heat map, so you always have delivery partners in high-demand zones. Next, AI chatbots for customer support. When something goes wrong order, missing item, late delivery, customers want help now. AI chatbots can handle 80% of support queries instantly. No waiting, no stress. And when needed, it hands off to a human seamlessly. Happy customers mean fewer bad reviews, which leads to better ratings for your app. And finally, predictive analytics. AI can analyze order patterns to forecast peak hours, top-selling dishes, and even suggest new delivery zones. Imagine knowing beforehand which restaurant will be trending next weekend. That's powerful. And it helps you make data-backed decisions to grow faster. AI isn't the future, it's the now. And the sooner your app adopts it, the better your chances of dominating the market. Thinking of building a next-gen food delivery app? At Apptunix, we specialize in AI-powered solutions that are fast, scalable, and built to impress. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more app building insights. See you in the next video.